This is the distributive property of multiplication using the mouse method. We use the array at the side to see the multiplication. We see that this is a 7 by 8 array. We are going to fill in the mouse ears how the array was broken up into add-ins. So the 8, if we look, is broken up into 5 plus 3. So I'm going to put 5 and 3, and I know these digits need to match how the array was actually broken here. So now I can put the correct add-in that matches the array. So now my factors are 7 times 5 plus 7 times 3. So now I'm going to multiply, and 7 times 5 and 7 times 3. And now I know if I add the products together, I'm going to get the final answer to my multiplication sentence. So I have 7 times 8 is, and I add up 35 plus 21, so I have 56. And then this is self-checking, so I'm going to check it and submit. And the next card will come.